How I improve my vocabulary. So listen, I'm from Hindi medium school. Still I'm speaking and managing the tough words like, hey, this is Mantasha and you are at the right place to know how to enhance vocabulary and how I enhanced my vocabulary. Repulse, deceive, simultaneously, and many more. Sometimes I don't know the meaning of the word. Still, I read these kinds of books. These kinds of books and many more, such as Atomic Habit, The Power of Ignored Skill, etc. How I came this far, how I enhanced my vocabulary, what helps me. So without wasting time, let's discuss about it. If I talk about few years back, I used to write words, then meaning, then I would learn all the words, then meaning, making sentences, and then forget. Not even making sentences, meaning too. But a good habit still proved me fruitful for me. This habit gave me confidence to read the books. Though I don't know the meaning, though I don't know the structure of the sentence, though I didn't know the scenario, sentence, still I get the point. But what is better than writing 100 words in diary? So if you are someone who does not have 30 minutes to enhance your vocabulary, learn English, you are at the right place to know what to do now. I have an application called Real Life. Many applications are paid, such as Igvarta, Clappingo, etc. But this is free. Here is 5 major benefits of real life English application. Real conversation learning. Improve listening to fast English. Speak with real people worldwide. Learn plus use immediately. Faster fluency, not just grammar. This is all about the video.